This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 2, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, water heater, slide-out, smoke detector, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, awning, oven, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is 8,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.